Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Dorik AI. Go to my video description and click this link and you are redirected to this website. First, you need to click this icon, login. If you have not an account before, just click on sign up. I highly recommend you for sign up with because this is very easy way. So I click on just again on Gmail, again on click on continue. Then I need to select what describe your role the best. Just click on, then select I am a freelancer. Now I click on freelancer. If you are a agency owner, developer, entrepreneur, marketer, select anyone. I select a freelancer. Who will you be building website for? So I select for my business. Then how did you hear about us? And I select on YouTube because I know about this tool on YouTube. So my work are successfully done and I close this icon. So now login are successfully done. So what type of video you want to next, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.